Cashiers, what's the dumbest way you've made a Karen cry? I work at McDonald's, which sounds boring, but the stuff I've seen in that building should honestly be studied by scientists. One day, I was working the register when I noticed a woman fighting for her life at the self-order screen. It was like watching a full-on battle. She was jabbing at it like it owed her money, and at one point, she tried to shove a paper coupon into the card reader. I walked over and said, "Ma'am, do you need help?" She snapped her head around and said, "I know what I'm doing." Okay, I guess slamming coupons into electronics is just part of the plan. So I backed off and went back to the register. Then she stomped over and slammed the coupon on the counter like she was dropping evidence in a courtroom. Fix it. I picked it up, and immediately had to try not to laugh, because this coupon was from 2008. It looked like it time traveled out of a scrapbook. I said, "Ma'am, this expired 16 years ago." She blinked, then said, "Use it anyway." "Ma'am, it doesn't even scan. You might as well be handing me a drawing of fries." She started yelling about customer service, how I was disrespectful, and how she'll never eat here again. Then it happened. She broke. Tears. Actual tears. Because she couldn't get 50 cents off a McChicken. My boss came running out thinking someone got hurt. Saw her crying. Saw me holding the expired coupon. Looked back and forth once. Then said, "Ma'am, please leave." And she screamed, "You just lost a valued customer." And slammed the door so hard the napkin dispenser fell over. 5 minutes later, I found her same coupon on the floor next to a spilled milkshake. So I framed it. And now, it hangs above the register. And it's probably worth millions.